Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the appearance of your Windows Outlook email. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Outlook web app by heading to outlook.cloud.microsoft. Go ahead and log into your account and wait a moment while your emails load into view. This gives you access to all your inbox content and settings. Once your email interface is fully loaded, it's time to dive into the appearance settings. Navigate to the top right corner of your screen where you'll notice a gear icon. This is your gateway to all Outlook settings, so click on it to proceed. This icon is your control center for customizing everything from layout to visual themes. After clicking the gear icon, your Outlook settings window will open up. Now direct your attention to the left side menu where you'll see various tabs listed. Click on the General tab to access basic customization options. This section houses all the fundamental settings that affect how your Outlook looks and feels. Under the General tab, you'll find the Appearance option. Click on it to reveal several ways you can personalize your Outlook email interface. This is where the magic happens. You'll see options for colors, modern themes, and other visual customizations that can completely transform your email experience. Take a moment to explore the different choices available to you. If you want even more variety, click on the Themes drop-down menu to browse through different layout options. Each theme offers its own unique style and color scheme, so you can pick one that matches your personal preference or helps reduce eye strain during long email sessions. These themes aren't just about aesthetics, they can actually improve your productivity by making the interface more comfortable to work with. Once you've selected your new appearance settings and you're happy with how everything looks, make sure to click the Save button at the bottom right part of your screen. This step is crucial because it ensures all your changes are retained. If you skip this, you'll lose all your customizations and have to start over. And that's it, you've successfully changed your Windows Outlook email appearance with a fresh new look that suits your style. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.